sana po nagustuhan niyo yung munting pelikula namin inihain ka. So thank you. It's nice to see all of you here. Hi. Love you too. Love you more.
Actually, naghintay sa inyo. Iba sila naghintay outside the rain earlier just to enter the theater. They're all very, very excited to see you. We will give our audience a chance later to ask some questions. Pero in the meantime, tatanungin ko muna si Aga at si Bea a few of the things that they experienced while shooting the movie. Aga, Bea, what made you decide first to accept this project? I mean, both of you have track records, a lot of successful movies in the past. But what about this project made you take it?
Kasi the moment I learned that it's going to be with Aga Mulak, I immediately said yes. I mean, who says no to Aga Mulak, hindi ba? Parang walang makakahindi. So sabi ko, ito na yung moment na makakatrabaho. I've always wanted to work with him, pero I never got the chance to actually work with him. So ngayon, nagkaroon na ng pagkakataon. So bakit ako tatanggi, di ba?
Every time we're asked like question and pag si Bea kasi sumasagot na she's always been wanting to work with me and who doesn't want to work with me. Siyempre bisa nakakaya